Good morning. I officially got a box from Young Living finally in Walden. It's really similar to Lake City in terms of you can't get things very easily or quickly here, which we're completely used to. And I thought I would come outside to do it because one, it's beautiful outside and we have finally turned our animals out and it's just quite lovely. Getting to enjoy seeing them out and about, and the sheep are out there too. And anyway, so we're gonna do this unboxing for this month. I have not done this in a really long time. So unboxing of what, Becca? Unboxing of my Young Living box here. So I get these monthly. It's through their loyalty rewards program. I'm sure that a lot of you know it's like you can get monthly subscriptions to anything now. But this is basically for health and wellness. So we are gonna pop this open, and some of the things that I have consistently been getting, which is Interboost and Balance. It's like a daily supplement that goes in your water every morning, at least every morning for me. It is blood orange flavored. It's really good. I mix it with my Ningxia Red, which is also in this box. Let's see, Ningxia, these are the single, what's called sachets. It's a big fancy word. So this is like on the go that you can just take with you, which we'll take with us back to Lake City as well. Apparently I got more Thieves laundry soap. I didn't realize that. That's great. Oh, interesting. I wonder if this is the box from last month that did not arrive. You guys, this is hysterical. So I didn't get a box for a really long time. So this is not, that's funny because I now have 2 bottles of loyalty oil, which you get once a year every time you've been on their loyalty rewards program. Okay, so this is the box from last year. This is not this month. Not last year, I'm sorry, last month, which they reshipped me stuff. So I might have to send this box back to boot. So from last month, the freebies were Luscious Lemon, Orange. At that point, I had also gotten another bottle of conditioner, and we dilute this and split it between 2 bottles to make it last longer. Super B was also a freebie from last month. But this is also an energy boosting supplement that I kind of rave about. And then the only other thing in here is the 4-pack of Ningxia Red. So there's 4 bottles in there. And I just get that because we're a family of 7. And we all take it because it boosts your energy, it boosts your immune system. And this time of year, the spring, with the allergies kicking in, sometimes that sends people from allergies into colds, which the spring cold is horrible because you're like, I just want to be outside because it's finally beautiful. So if you start taking Ningxia Red, even this Interboost and Balance, Super B to increase your energy because days are getting longer. We put up fencing yesterday. We let the animals out. Today I'm going to be working on some garden stuff, even though I'm kind of back to square one with the garden stuff because my greenhouse is still in Lake City. But just all that to say, so this is all the stuff that I got this month. Along with that, I get about 70 to 80 Young Living dollars, as I like to call them, that I can go back and spend on anything else that I want or need from Young Living. So that could be some more supplements, that could be soap, conditioner, shampoo, could be a fun bottle of oil, it could be facial products, really whatever you want to spend it on for the most part. And why? So why do I choose to get laundry soap, shampoo, soap, conditioner, my supplements even from Young Living and not like the pharmaceutical department in my local grocery store? The reason for that is because these contain essential oils. And I believe it's like your body with the supplements from like the supermarket, your body only absorbs a certain percentage, like 30% or something, or 50% or something like this. By adding essential oils to a supplement, it allows your body to absorb more of the nutrients and not just pee it out. So that is why I go with these supplements, and they actually work. I have been shocked sometimes at how much better I feel whenever I take these on a daily basis. When I forget to take it, I end up being sluggish, tired, cranky. And so really adding these into your life, like if you're like, I'm just exhausted all the time and I've just decided that that is just my life. No, it doesn't have to be just your life. So if you're already spending money on supplements or other things to increase your energy, you should swap it over. You should switch it over to Young Living products because they actually work better than anything else I've ever tried. So that is really it. That is the unboxing from last month. If I get this month's, hopefully before next month, I'll do an unboxing for that too, so you guys can see the freebies, because the freebies for this month, I'll just post them after this video. So that is all. I hope you guys have a great Saturday. We are going to enjoy being out and about and watching our animals be out and grazing. It's so wonderful. Like,